All right, it's Saturday morning. Steve with Clean Grilling. I'm out of here going to do this Lion grill I put in about 2 years ago. It's not super dirty, but we are going to keep it good because we have a lifetime warranty on these grates, lifetime warranty on the burners, about 5 years on the flame tamers, 1 year on the ignition, and 1 year on the lights. Great product, fantastic barbecue. Can't go wrong with this at a great price. Give me a call at 559-901-8050. All right, another Lion grill cleaned up really good. I put this in about 2 years ago. Look how new it looks still inside. All right, this is Steve with Clean Grilling. We're all done here in Fresno today. Give me a call at 559-901-8050 or steve@cleangrilling.com, and we'll get your grill done. Or if you need a new grill like this Lion right here, call me again, 559-901-8050. I'll get you hooked up with a new grill. It's earned every damn day with energy, enthusiasm, drive, determination. I'm out. Have a blessed day.